This video will show you how you can enter your local Common Core state standards into the Partners for Results application. From the main menu, go to Curriculum and then Local Common Core State Standard Maintenance. At the very top you'll see some drop-downs. First you'll select your department, and then it will list all of the local Common Core state standards that are already set up. You can also add a new one. For this example, we'll select one that's already set up. You'll notice that it is set up into 3 different tabs. The very first tab is for the courses. Here you can select which courses you would like tied to this local Common Core state standard by using the checkboxes at the bottom. You can also select which Common Core standard you'd like tied to it by using the drop-down towards the top. Once you make your selections, you would click Save. The next tab is where you're going to actually enter in your local Common Core state standard elements. The very first column is the domain, so here you're going to make your selection using the drop-down. Then you can click on the icon under View Common Core Standards. It will list them for you, and you can use the checkboxes on the left to make your selections. Then click Save. It will add for you an element number as well as an element ID. The next column over is where you're going to enter in your description or your local Common Core state standard element text. Click on the cell and type in your text. As soon as you click off the cell, it will automatically save that for you. You can add additional local Common Core state standard elements by clicking the Add button at the very top. It will enter a new line for you to enter the same information. The next tab is for your instructional objectives. Here you can use the first drop-down to select the local Common Core state standard element that you'd like tied to each instructional objective. Then you would select your term, and it will automatically enter your instructional objective number and ID. And once again, use the text box on the right to enter in your instructional objective description. Again, once you click off the cell, it will automatically save it for you. You can continue to add instructional objectives by clicking the Add button at the very top. You can print a copy of what you've just done by going to Curriculum and then Export Local Common Core State Standards to Word. First, you can select your department, then the local Common Core state standard, or all of them if you'd like. And then you can either select all terms or a specific one. Then click on Export to Word. It will open up a Word document for you that will have all of your local Common Core state standard elements listed, as well as the instructional objectives that you set up in the application for you.